How to order items on Temu app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to download and install the Temu app on your device. Once you have installed it, open the application and log into your account. Now, if you're wondering on how to order items, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. As you can see, this is the home screen of the Temu application. Here you can scroll the home tab for the suggested items. As you can see, there are different suggestions. You can tap open any one of that if you are interested. If you are searching for a specific category, tap on the category tab at the bottom of your screen. Here you have different categories that you can choose from. If you want something associated with automotive, tap on that option. And here you also have the subcategories. Tap on the subcategories and then you can find all the items in that list. If you do not find the specific item here on the category section, you want to tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. From there, you want to type the keywords and tap on the search bar. If you want to purchase any one of that, tap on that to check out more details. Here you can find the details. You can also select color, quantity. You also have the shipping details. If you want the item reviews and ratings, you can scroll down and find that as well. Below you have the product details. Check out all of these information, and if you want to purchase this item, tap on Add to Cart option. Once it has been added to your cart, you can tap on this cart icon. Now to place an order, tap on the checkout option. Here you want to select the shipping method, then add a payment method. Once all of this is done, you can check your estimated total here. Now tap on the submit order option. Once you do that, your order will be successfully placed, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.